Assalamualaikum viewers, I am back with a new video. I have brought for you about the 30 Balochi designs which are very unique and beautiful. So watch the video till the end. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for it, and it's totally free. Please do share my videos, like and comment, it's your love for us. After this video, I'm damn sure, inshallah, you will get more ideas about your Balochi dresses and its color combination, and like this is the pink color, baby pink, which suits a lot on fair girls as well as on tan girls, but this one orange, this is a color which doesn't suit on tan. Red color, it also suits on everyone. I am a little bit talkative, but I hope so I am not boring you all. Now I'm going watch the video to the end with the Balochi music, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share, and do comment. This is your love for us. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Allah Hafiz.